We are going to be looking at Link Wizard. It's a great tool you can use. You can shorten your links, kind of like Bitly or the other ones, but it's got a lot more things that you can look at. So, for example, I'm looking at this one right here that I created recently. Got a few clicks already on it. I'll be going to look at the graph to see how many people are clicking on it, what days they might be clicking on it, see if it was just when I put out a new page, that sort of thing. The fun part about Link Wizard is you can look at so many other things in here, whether it's demographics, you can link your pixel, you can put tags, here's your description. So I can preview the link. Let's take a look, best Facebook tools. So we're going to go to the page. And you can see in the top there, it redirects to one of my Groove Funnels pages with an amazing deal for getting post filter biggest fan and birthday wisher. And it'll also let you go check out Genius Messenger Connector and Post Scheduler. So if anybody's interested in those, just let me know. And some other things, if you go and you can see who's been logging on, you can see locations around the world, see how things are going. You can check from your pixel and see go through your ads manager in Facebook and see who's been looking at your ad. You can see for retargeting how you're going to do your demographics when you do your ads. You can go ahead and update this once it's created. So if you change your target, you can change it up there. You can add a different pixel. You can remove pixels, add tags, link preview. So if you wanted somebody to be able to see a different one than just the LNK and the default text, you could change this up here and put a different picture. It's pretty simple. Switch that, click there, put a different picture on there if you want. I got one from ClickFunnels Easy Page Cloner that I was using. There's a new update for that, so I'll be posting a video about that soon again, and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. There'll be a special link to buy from YouTube with a little discount there if anybody's interested. And again, any questions, go to the page, message me here, or reach out in any of the other methods listed. Thank you.